Welcome to the Electric Wheelchairs USA Mobility Experts channel.
In this video, we will take a closer look at this amazing mid-size four-wheel scooter
Manufactured by Affichem, the Affy Scooter C4.
Check out the link below for the three-wheel model, the Affy Scooter C3. This mid-size mobility scooter has a variable speed of a little over 9 miles per hour and has an impressively long battery range of up to 25 miles per charge. The C4 model can be equipped with an added feature of a large full-cover canopy.
If you're planning to use this scooter outdoors, we would highly recommend this addition.
With the added canopy, you and your scooter can be protected from the rain or the hot summer sun. Additional upgrade options such as wider seats, an extended range battery, and a lockable rear storage compartment are also available for this model.
Offering the comfort and features of a full-size scooter with actual dimensions of a mid-size model,
You can take this scooter anywhere. Impressive 4-inch ground clearance, powerful motors, and large tires allow you to enjoy the ride and easily navigate through parks, parking lots, sidewalks, and multiple types of uneven terrain. Both the C3 and C4 models have a luxurious, orthopedic rotatable captain seat, pneumatic tires, and shock absorbers to ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride.
when it comes to safety, the ergonomic modern Delta tiller has a great sense of control, a strong grip, digital display, horn,
and dual throttle option. Rear view mirrors and a powerful LED lighting system with front and rear lights, hazards, brake lights, and turn signals all come standard with this model.
Both the C3 and C4 models come with a long 2-year labor warranty. Affichem is the only manufacturer with this kind of warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their products for over 40 years. This scooter and many others are available for you to view or purchase at electricwheelchairsusa.com.
If you have any questions, feel free to call the number below. We are open 7 days a week, and our experts will make sure you get the mobility product that's right for you.